The notes section, you can always enter notes here, and again, defaults to internal so that they do not get captured when you package your deal for submission. And if you do want notes to be captured, you can uncheck this and it will get captured. And again, deal notes is just a way to communicate with others who touched the file, what was said, who did what and when, so that there is always a place, a central location where all deal notes are kept. Sent log maintains logs of every message that is sent from your deal, whether it's sending reminders for conditions or sending a message. Whoever you send it to, that will be logged right here. Emails, this area will log all of your external emails that you have filed to your deal. Contacts, these are deal contacts that are basically participants to the deal. For example, your realtor, your appraiser, the lawyer. These will be deal participants that you may want to add them to the deal, so that if you want to send them a note or documents from this deal, you simply select them as a recipient. Activity log, just keep the log of who signed in and what they did. So another great way for audit and compliance on your deal flow. Now just go back to mortgage details here. So here is basically the deal tracking information. Everything you need to know about the deal is here. Notice one area that we have not talked about, and that is schedule deadline dates. Up here, schedule deadline dates. These dates appeared when we changed the deal type from lead to pre-approval. These dates establish the milestones for the application and are met as you go down on the progress steps of the application. In pre-approval, they will still be blank because it is not a live deal with firm contractual dates like condition of financing or closing date. If the pre-approval was submitted to lender for actual rate hold, you can update the progress list and check box any particular to-dos you have done. So we can go down the list here . And our last step is lender commitment, meaning that we have received the official rate hold from the lender, and that is the progress step that we are at for this pre-approval deal. We continue to wait for the customer to find the property and move the deal forward into a live deal status. If I return and go back to the main dashboard, you can see that the deal has changed to a pre-approval list. It was up here in lead and now it's down in the pre-approvals list. There's a mortgage amount, there's the potential lender, the rate that we held with the lender, and the expiry date for that rate hold, the next reminder date set, and message for the follow-up. And you can also see up here in the conditions window that when we establish our conditions for this deal, it now populates it in the conditions window. If we expand this list, you can see these are the conditions that we set for this deal.